Hello everyone, I am Poonam Madan from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School. I hope you all have done up to question number 5 of exercise 1.1. Now I am going to teach question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From point B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance toward east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? According to question, students, we will take a positive integer towards east. So negative integer we will take towards west. According to question, students, distance traveled in east 20 km, positive integer I told you students, and distance traveled in the direction of west, negative integer minus 30. Distance, total distance covered 20 plus minus 30, minus sign we have taken because of direction of west. Plus minus minus 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10 km. This is the answer. Now question number 7, students. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square or not. Students, according to question, this one rows R1, these are rows R1, R2, R3, and verticals are columns. Vertical C1 column, C2 column, C3 column, and diagonals are, students, this is a left diagonal and this is right diagonal. Clear? Now you will take sum of row R1. R1 is equal to 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now sum of R2 rows you will get also 0. Sum of R3 rows you can do by yourself. Now sum of column, students, C1 column 0, C2 column, sum of C2 column minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 0. Now sum of C3 column minus 4 plus 7 plus 3 minus 3 0. Now sum of diagonal, students, you will get 0 left diagonal, but right diagonal you can see here minus 4 minus 2 plus 0, then minus 6. So right diagonal is not equal to 0, but according to question, all sum of each row, sum of element of each row, sum of element of each column, and sum of elements of left diagonal and sum of right elements of right diagonal should be 0. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. It means same sum in this row 1, R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3 is equal to 0, but right diagonal sum of elements are not 0. So we can say it is not a magic square. Clear? Now second part you can do by yourself, students. Question number 8 has 4 parts, students. I am telling you first part. Verify left A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. The value of A and B are given in your question. According to left hand side, you will put the value of A and B. A is equal to 21 minus B is equal to 18. Minus plus 21 plus 18 39. Now right hand side, students, A plus B, the value of A is 21 and B is 18, now 39. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is verified. Now second remaining parts you can do. Now question number 9. Put the sign greater than, less than or equal to. According to question you will solve left hand side, students, and right hand side. Which one is greater than? You can put the sign. First part, left hand side is equal to beta minus 8 plus minus 4, minus 8 minus 4 minus 12, and right hand side, students, minus 8 minus 4 minus 8 minus plus minus plus minus sign of larger integer, so minus 4. Now minus 12 is greater or minus 4 is greater? Minus 4 is greater, students, so you will put this one sign, this sign put on that side. Clear? Now remaining parts, students, you can do of question number 9. It's very easy. Now we are going to question number 10. A water tank has a step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Water level के कितने steps है students? According to question 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again I am drawing this one, students. This type 9 step. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Clear, students? According to question first part, he jumps 3 steps down. A monkey is here on first step. This is monkey. Clear? Monkey is on first step. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? बच्चे, we will take a positive sign for going downstairs and negative signs for going upstairs. I have solved question in this one, but I am explaining. Please look here. For going 3 steps downward, monkey on the first steps, 3 steps downward, 1, 2, 3. It will in the position of 4th step, 4th stairs, just like 4th stair पे हो गई. मतलब आफ्टर फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या हुआ? फर्स्ट पर तो था मंकी, 3 स्टेप बाद किस पे पहुंच गया? 4th स्टेप पे, 4th स्टेयर पे वो पहुंच चुका है. नाउ ही विल गोइंग, कहाँ जा रहा है? 2 स्टेप अप. नाउ फर्स्ट सेकेंड, नाउ ही विल रीच ऑन सेकेंड स्टेयर. सेकेंड स्टेयर पे पहुंच गया क्योंकि बैक गया. आफ्टर 2 स्टेप 4 - 2 सेकेंड स्टेप पे पहुंच गया. आई टोल्ड यू सेकेंड स्टेप. नाउ अगेन 3 स्टेप्स डाउन स्टेयर्स. सेकेंड पर है 3 स्टेप्स डाउन स्टेयर, 3, 4, 5. अब किस पे पहुंचेगा बच्चे? 5th पे पहुंच गया. 5th पे पहुंच गया. 5th के पास 2 स्टेयर्स बैक, तो किस पे पहुंचेगा बच्चे? 3 पे. 3 स्टेप्स पे पहुंच गया. 3 पे पहुंच गया. इसके बाद फिर नाउ 3 स्टेप्स, 4, 5, 6. थर्ड के बाद किस पे पहुंचेगा? 6 पे. 6 के बाद किस पे पहुंचेगा? 2 स्टेप्स बैक, 4th पर. 4th के बाद कितने पे पहुंचेगा? 7th पर. 7th के बाद किस पे पहुंचेगा? बैक में 5th पर. नाउ सेम प्रोसीजर 9 तक किस पे पहुंचेगा बच्चे? कितनी जंप्स उसको करनी पड़ेंगी? 9 जंप. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 जंप में वो लास्ट में किस पे पहुंचेगा बच्चा? 9th स्टेप पे. क्लियर? I have solved 10th question first and second part. If you have any doubt, you can ask many times on my personal window. Thank you.